how to change your battery. So first things first, uninstall your battery. You can go ahead and take this mechanism off like this. Put this aside, don't lose it. These screws are normally an 11 millimeter, 12, 13, have a bunch around. Sometimes you need a set for the other side. I got real rugged thumbs, so I just use those. Obviously, you just be pulling this negative cable first.
Why is that? Why did I take the negative cable off first? That's to reduce risk of spark.
I don't like to do that. Put that right back where it goes. Right out of the way. Lift out that battery. The battery goes in, and we reinstall the exact way we did it.